So, Apple is really going all out with buttons lately. After introducing the Action button last year and then adding the Camera Control button with the iPhone 16 lineup, it looks like they're not done shaking things up. Rumor has it that the iPhone 17 Pro might ditch the Action button and volume keys altogether in favor of a single, all-in-one button. Sounds wild at first, right? But if you've been following the iPhone chatter, it starts to make a bit more sense. So, here's the scoop. A leaker on X, known as Majin Bu, claims that this new button could work similarly to the Camera Control key. You might be able to swipe it to adjust the volume and press it to trigger customizable shortcuts. It's all about streamlining functionality, and Apple's definitely been experimenting with various designs and features, so it's not entirely far-fetched. Just a little while ago, there were some intriguing rumors about Apple wanting to create a larger Action button and a unified volume button, but those ideas reportedly didn't make the cut during prototyping. Still, that doesn't mean they won't circle back to something like what Bu is suggesting. The thought of a single button that combines multiple functions is intriguing and could lead to some cool new user experiences. Imagine this: a button that feels physical, like the existing Camera Control, but also has a touch-sensitive sapphire crystal top. Depending on how you press or swipe this new button, you can mute your phone, adjust the volume, or trigger a different action entirely. This could be particularly useful if Apple decides to implement it across all 4 iPhone 17 models. If the iPhone 17 Air is set to be thinner, reducing the number of button cutouts would actually help make the device more durable, especially when it comes to preventing accidental bending. Of course, there's a clear downside here. Anyone who's used to the current button layout might find this shift a bit tricky at first. But honestly, like any change Apple rolls out, I think most of us would eventually get the hang of it. I'm a longtime iPhone user myself, and while I'm excited about the possibilities of the new Camera Control button, I've also found its placement to be somewhat awkward for left-handed use. And speaking of placement, what if the new Action volume button on the iPhone 17 is similar in size and design to the Camera Control? That way, users could customize where they want to position both buttons. For me, as someone who typically holds the phone in my left hand, it would be super helpful to have the Camera Control in a spot that's easier to reach, like where the volume controls currently are. All speculation aside, if this iPhone 17 Pro design detail turns out to be true, you can bet we'll see all sorts of leaks and rumors in the months leading up to the launch. So, what do you think about this potential button change for the upcoming iPhone 17 lineup? Are you excited, skeptical, or feeling a mix of both? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. And for more updates on all things iPhone, be sure to check out our channel. Until next time, take care.